We really think that our daughter is going to enjoy this Swingset and Playhouse combo by Step2, and we're really excited to get it set up for her to see her reaction. While looking up the reviews, we saw some people that wanted a video on how to set this up, and so we decided we would go ahead and film it. We followed the directions about 90% of the time. There's a couple things that we changed because we thought it was easier. We hope you found this video helpful, and even if this playset isn't exactly like the playset that you're thinking about getting or that you're trying to set up right now, I would imagine that a lot of the fasteners and a lot of the principles used to assemble this playset are probably similar to other playsets. We thank you so much for watching this video and for supporting our channel.